are some of my favorite videos to do, mainly because I love pretending like I have my own cooking show. This is something I used to do back when I was a little girl. I used to get all these ingredients and pretend like I was cooking for the camera. So I am living out my childhood dream. But before we get started, today's video is sponsored by H-E-B. And H-E-B is my local grocery store here in Texas. They have everything that you need, from bakeware to table settings to home decor to ingredients for all of your cooking and baking needs. Everything that I am using today to bake or cook has been sent from H-E-B. So I'm going to actually unbox 2 boxes that they sent me. And if you guys see something here that you would like for yourself for Christmas maybe, or if you would like to gift it, these would make really, really good gifts, especially for someone who loves to bake or cook, or somebody who is just a busy mom like me and loves the air fryer and the Instant Pot. So if you see something here that you like, you can always shop these items from H-E-B at heb.com/holiday. So let's go ahead and unbox these before we get started baking. And before I unbox these, I'll let you in on a little secret of what we're actually going to be making today. I'm going to be making apple cider in the Instant Pot. So no longer do you have to let it sit all day long or stand over the stove. We're making it in the Instant Pot today. And then I'm going to be making donuts in the air fryer. Yes, donuts in the air fryer. They are cinnamon sugar donuts, perfect for an after dinner snack, whether it be at Thanksgiving or Christmas. You could also make these ahead of time and have them on Christmas morning or Christmas evening on Christmas Eve, or you can leave them out for Santa Claus. Okay, so I'm gonna have to lift this up here. This is heavy. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wow, did I really just make that face in the camera? So, here is the air fryer. This is a legit air fryer. I have a very tiny, small air fryer that doesn't do much. This is the air fryer of life. I mean, look at this thing. Look at this. This is gonna feed my whole family. And if you're new to my channel, we have 7 people in our family. We've got 5 kids. So we need a big air fryer like this to feed all of them. But how awesome is this? We are going to be making donuts in here, and I am super pumped. Let's just open this real quick. Let's just see how big this thing actually is. Let's see. Oh, look, it even comes with a recipe book for those of us who need a little bit of help in the kitchen. Ooh, look at this thing, it's shiny. Okay, check this out, y'all. Check this out. So this is by the brand Kitchen and Table. When I plug it in, it's about to get fancy up here. Oh man, this would be such a good gift for someone who loves to cook or someone who doesn't love to cook. This will probably be a better idea for someone who doesn't love to cook because it's super easy, super quick, and I've made, my kids love chicken wings in the air fryer. So we're not making chicken wings today, we're making donuts, but chicken wings are pretty good too. Let's see what else is over here in this box. So I also got some stemless wine glasses. I feel like wine glasses are a really good gift idea. I mean, who doesn't love wine? And if they don't love wine, they can always drink their apple cider out of it, because today we are going to be making apple cider. I just love entertaining gifts. I just feel like things like this are timeless. You're gonna get your use out of them if they're a gift. So anyways, if you are hosting and you need some stemless wine glasses for your wine or apple cider like we're gonna be having, these are a great gift idea. Here it is, the Instant Pot. And this one is actually red for the holidays, which is so cute. Okay, I am so excited to make some apple cider in this thing. Let me open it. Let's just see. Let's just see how pretty this thing is. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh my goodness, look how pretty this is. This would be such a good gift idea for somebody. This is amazing, and it's gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Who would not love this red color? Look at this. They also sent over some fry. It just like popped out of nowhere. They also sent over some fry pans. These are so pretty. This is like my favorite color of cookware. I love it. It's like a copper color, and these like the yes, these are the non-stick ones. Oh, these are so good. Everybody needs to have some of these in their life. These would also make a great gift, especially for like a new couple. And I would be super happy with something like that. That's how you know you're an adult, when you get excited over kitchen appliances. Cookie sheet. This is a chef style cookie sheet. This is a very large cookie sheet. And these are some of my favorite things. Look how cute these are. Who doesn't love cute mixing bowls? I have a slight obsession with mixing bowls. I don't know why, but I love cute ones like this. I am so excited to bake with these. This is so adorable. So if you guys are looking for a place to pick up all of your holiday needs, whether it be bakeware, cookware, table settings, decor, or ingredients for your recipes this year, definitely check out H-E-B. They've got everything you need. And like I said earlier, you can shop these items at heb.com/holiday. And thank you H-E-B for sponsoring this video. Okay, so first I'm going to be using the fancy little Instant Pot over here to make our apple cider. I figured I would start that, let it cook while we're baking the other recipes, and Crew woke up from his nap, so he's going to be joining us. So hopefully he stays pretty chill in this little thing. He usually does, while I show you guys these recipes. So let's go ahead and get started putting everything into the Instant Pot. All of these recipes that I use will be linked in the description box below. That way you guys can refer back to them just in case I missed a step, or you know, you need precise measurements. Obviously, all of that will be in the description box below. So all of these fancy little tools came with this Instant Pot, which is really nice. You can use this to like stir it or scoop stuff out, or well, this one's used to stir. And then you can scoop it out, and then it's got these little things to set at the bottom of the Instant Pot. But because we're making a liquid, I don't need anything sitting down there at the bottom. So I'm gonna start by pouring all of the water in here. It calls for 8 cups. So if you do not own an Instant Pot yet, I would definitely recommend one, especially if you are super busy like most of us are. It definitely saves you some time when it comes to cooking. You can do almost anything in an Instant Pot. You can saute, slow cook, pressure cook, steam, sear, and even bake foods all in one appliance. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using a mixture of Honeycrisp apples and Granny Smith apples. I searched everywhere online to see which apples are the best for apple cider, and it's really a mixed opinion. So I'm going to use both of these in hopes that this makes it kind of sweet and this one makes it kind of tart. Okay, so while we have the apple cider cooking in the Instant Pot back here, I'm about to start on the cinnamon sugar donuts in this fancy little air fryer right here. Well, it's not very little, it is a big, nice air fryer. So fancy. I gotta push it in all the way. Look at that. This thing is fancy. Look at that. All right, let's get making some donuts. So I promise this recipe is going to be super simple. So first I'm gonna take one of these cute little bowls and I'm going to put cinnamon and sugar in it so that when they're ready, we can go ahead and dip them in there. So it calls for 1/2 cup of white sugar and 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. So I'm gonna put that in there. Ooh, I'm gonna put that in there right now. All right, so 1/2 cup, and then I'm going to get 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. So the air fryer is definitely one of my favorite kitchen appliances, mainly because it is just so quick and so easy to use. It's pretty foolproof if you ask me, and I love being able to do things like reheating pizza in it. It tastes just like it's been pulled straight from the oven instead of just throwing it in the microwave. You can also make frozen appetizers or chicken nuggets for your kids, and there's no need to really batter any food. You just lightly toss it in oil and it's cooked.
Christmas Day.
So this H-E-B kitchen and table air fryer has a super sleek design and a digital LED touchscreen with 8 presets and an easy defrost feature. It has a 5-liter cooking basket that allows for more air frying, and the basket design allows for a 360-degree airflow that allows optimal crispness. Now I'm just straining the pieces of apple and oranges and everything that was inside the Instant Pot through a mesh strainer lined with cheesecloth. I'm using the cheesecloth just to help catch any extra chunks that might fall through the mesh strainer, and I had great results with this process. I had 0 chunks fall through into my apple cider. And now I'm just going to pour it into glasses, and then I'm going to serve it with whipped cream, caramel sauce, and a cinnamon stick. And of course, this part is optional, but it makes it taste that much better. So that is it for today's Bake With Me video. I had so much fun making this apple cider and these delicious donuts. You better believe that both of them were absolutely delicious. I highly recommend both of these recipes, as well as getting an Instant Pot and an air fryer. They are total game changers when it comes to the kitchen. And thank you, H-E-B, for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Check out the description box below if you are interested in shopping H-E-B. And I'm going to enjoy my apple cider and my donuts. Bye, guys.